Now electroplating is a very important part of chemical effect of current. Electroplating means it is made up of two words, electricity and plating. Plating means covering. So electricity can be used to cover a metal. A brand new bicycle has shiny handles and wheel rims. So they shine. You must have seen they shine and they look like steel. However, if these are accidentally scratched, if you scratch them, then the shine goes. If these are scratched, the shiny coating comes off, revealing that there is no shine in it. You might have also seen women wearing ornaments which appear to be gold but they are not actually gold. So what does this show you? That these are metal, these are process. This is describing a process by which a metal which is not looking like a superior or a good quality metal can be made to look like a good metal by covering it with another metal. In both these cases, a metal has a coating of another metal. Do you wonder how a layer of one metal can be deposited? So in this process, in this electroplating, what we are reading is that we can cover one metal by another metal by passing electric current, and this electric current will be passed through a solution, and the metal which we want to look shiny like iron looks like steel. So that process is called electroplating. Activity is we will need copper sulfate and two copper rods or plates, and then we will take distilled water in a clean and a dry beaker. Dissolve 2 spoonfuls of copper sulfate. Distilled water is made into a good conductor by adding some copper sulfate. So copper sulfate will make the water into bluish in color. Few drops of dilute acid are added to make it a better conductor. Now when you pass electric current and the two electrodes of copper are dipped into it, clean copper plates, and then you dip them. When you pass electric current, after some times we will see that the two copper rods which are dipped inside, they will be showing some change in color. So this change of color is seen in the form of chemical effect. After few minutes we will see that the copper rod will get covered with another layer of, it will develop a shine around it. This shine is due to the plating or the electroplating. It means a covering has been formed around the metal. How does it happen?